How to add a credit or debit card in Lyft. If you have been using the Lyft application and wondering on how to add the credit or debit card on it, don't worry. In this video, I will show you how to do it, so let's get started. First of all, open the Lyft application. Just like this. After opening it, you will find something like this. Now tap onto the U button at the bottom. Select it. Then scroll down and here you can find payment option. Tap on it. Then here you can find add payment method, just right here. Select it. Now to add a credit or debit card, simply tap on it, just right here. Now from here, simply enter your card number just like this and simply add this information and tap on to save. And after doing that, you will simply add the credit or debit card on this application. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.